Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome. Have you been thinking about a smarter way to save for retirement? A Roth IRA could be exactly what you need. It offers amazing tax benefits, letting your investments grow completely tax-free. And when you take money out in retirement, those withdrawals are also tax-free. It's a powerful tool for building a secure financial future. And today, we'll walk through opening one with Charles Schwab. Before diving in, let's quickly check two things. First, make sure your income falls within the IRS guidelines for Roth IRA contributions. These limits can change each year, so a quick check is always wise. Second, gather a few key documents. You'll need your Social Security number, some basic employment information, and details for the bank account you'll use to fund your new Roth IRA. Having everything ready saves you time and makes the setup process very easy. All right, let's head over to Schwab.com. On their homepage, you'll easily spot the Open an Account button, usually right at the top. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose an account type. Select Retirement and then pick Roth IRA. The online application is very straightforward. Simply fill in your personal information, employment details, and answer a few quick questions. It guides you step by step through the entire process. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. You can easily link your existing bank account to transfer money directly into your new Roth IRA. After your funds arrive, you'll want to choose some investments. Schwab offers a wide range of options, from individual stocks and bonds to mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. For many, starting with a broad market index fund or a diversified ETF can be an excellent way to begin building your retirement portfolio. Congratulations! You've just taken a fantastic step towards securing your financial future with a Roth IRA at Schwab. Remember, consistency is key. Try to contribute regularly. Even small amounts add up over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Schwab also provides a wealth of educational resources and tools to help you continue learning and making informed investment decisions. You're now on your way to enjoying the tax-free growth and withdrawals a Roth IRA offers, so keep investing wisely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.